Lot processing. To access the lot processing screen, select the inventory menu and the lot processing screen icon. The lot processing screen was designed to manage and track your seed cleaning process for your own seed or for custom cleaning services. You are able to track your inventory movements precisely for dirty, clean, screenings, and fan loss coming in and out of your cleaning plant or third-party cleaning plants. You can also provide your customer with a very detailed lot processing report. Now note that the lot processing feature is a premium subscription feature. If you're interested in upgrading to premium to use the lot processing feature, just contact us at support@seedtrakr.com. When you access the lot processing screen, you'll see a series of columns here. So we have our processing date, a cleaning plant, the lot that we processed, customer, if applicable, if it's not our own seed, the total dirty that came in, the total clean that came out, the total screenings, and the status, of course. So in this case, this is scheduled. So to add a lot processing record, it's really easy. You just select the Add Lot Processing Record. You'll be asked to select a processing date and select a cleaning plant. Now, reminder that you have to set up a cleaning plant and a screenings dump location as a storage location in the storage location screen. So that's a bit of a prerequisite to getting started with lot processing. So it's easy, just go to the storage location screen, add a new storage location called cleaning plant, and set it with a usage type of cleaning plant. And the same goes for the screenings dump. So we'll select cleaning plant 1 for this example. Then they'll ask you to select an inventory lot. So which inventory lot in the system would you like to perform cleaning? So I'm going to select this Conlin Foundation lot. I can add comments here if I like. When I select Save, the system will take me into the details for the lot processing record. From here, I can see the comments that I added when I added the record. Up top here, I can select the edit action and I can change, maybe it's the processing date or the comments. I can view my lot processing report, which we'll get to shortly. I can view changes as I can with any record in seedtrakr. Can view who made changes and when they made changes to my records. And I can cancel a lot processing record. So if I've added it in error or I thought I was going to do it, but I've decided not to, I can just select the canceled action. Now note that I can't cancel it if there's been skill tickets added down at the bottom here. So if you need to cancel a lot processing record, you need to first ensure that you don't have any skill tickets added to the system. Then on this piece here, there's a summary. It shows you the inventory lot, the customer, the processing date, kind of the same values that we've seen on the main screen. We also have fan loss here. So let's walk through an example of processing an inventory lot in seedtrakr. So the first thing you need to do is bring in your dirty inventory for this inventory lot. So for example, select the Add Skill Ticket action. And you can do one of two things. You can transfer dirty inventory that you already have into the cleaning plant, or you can receive dirty inventory maybe directly from your truck right into the cleaning plant. So for this example, let's receive inventory from a truck. System's going to automatically set the target location because it knows you're bringing in dirty seed into the cleaning plant. Then from here, you're going to add your scale ticket. Here, you can select whether the driver was in the truck or not. And here you can start to enter your weights. So this would be the weight of the seed coming in the truck. The outbound weight, you can put in the tare. So maybe that's the truck weight after the truck delivered the seed. And the system will automatically calculate your tare, gross, and net based on the weights that you've provided. Now, again, I can add comments to my receiving scale ticket here. Now, when I select Save, the system now knows that it's brought in a net of 48,000 pounds, which in this case would be 1,000 bushels of barley for cleaning. So now that we have our dirty seed in the system, the next step would be to process it. So I'm going to add a clean scale ticket. And I'm going to tell the system how much clean inventory came out of the dirty. But before I do that, sorry, I should back up here. I just want to point out that at any given time, the total dirty and the total clean, total screenings and fan loss are calculated up here after each scale ticket movement down below. So let's add a clean scale ticket. So the source location is cleaning plant because it's clean, so it's coming out of the cleaning plant. And the target location is where you're going to put the clean inventory. So let's say bin 1. I'm going to add my scale ticket number. Can track whether the driver's in or the driver's out. And from here, I'm going to add my weight. So let's say that we had 36,000 pounds of clean inventory come out of the cleaning plant into bin 1. I'm going to select save. So now you can see that my total clean has been updated to 750. And my scale tickets are showing me all of the movements that happen with this cleaning process down below. So next I'm going to add a screening scale ticket. So I'm going to keep these screenings instead of dumping them into the, per se, garbage bin. I'm going to keep them and sell them as commercial grain. So I'm going to add a screenings commercial scale ticket. When I do that, the system will ask me to select a target lot. Now, it's going to ask me for a commercial inventory lot for that same crop type. So in this case, I have one set up, so I'm going to select my commercial barley inventory lot. And I'm going to select the bin that I would like to put it in. I'm going to say bin 2. I'm going to add my scale ticket number. And from here, I'm going to enter my weights. So let's say the screenings were 6,000 pounds. When I select save, the system's going to create a move screenings to commercial lot movement and calculate everything for me. So now you can see the total screenings was 125 bushels based on the weight that I put in on my scale ticket. So now that I have brought in my dirty seed, moved my clean seed out, I've calculated my screenings. If there's anything left over, it must be fan loss, or we calculate it as fan loss. So once you've added all of your scale tickets, you can simply go up to the top right corner here and mark the lot processing record as complete. Now, when you do that, the system is automatically going to calculate the fan loss. But before I mark it as complete, I just want to go back and take a look at the inventory lot now that we've done some processing. So we were processing this inventory lot. So down below, you can see that the inventory has moved around. So we have still 125 bushels left in our cleaning plant that we need to calculate out as fan loss. And out of that 1,000 bushels that we started with, we have 750 in bin 1, clean. So if I view the movements on that inventory lot, I can clearly see that the processing has happened. I've got a receiving, I've got a transfer, and I've got a screening stamp movement. So you can easily track what happened to your inventory. I'm just going to go back to the lot processing details. And now I'm going to mark this as complete because we're done. So when I mark it as complete, you'll notice that the fan loss was calculated. So we started with 1,000. If 750 were clean and 125 were screenings, then fan loss must be 125. So from here, I can generate my lot processing report. If I select the View Lot Processing Report action. When selected, it'll open up and it's showing me in a nice clean report that I can print or keep all of the values that came out of the lot processing record. I can also view my lot processing reports directly from the inventory lot screen. Just go to the inventory lot screen and click the View Lot Processing Report action. That's how you process your own internal seed cleaning. Next, we're going to talk about a third-party customer cleaning as a service and how we get that into invoicing.